As COVID-19 cases surge across the state, health officials are not only encouraging booster shots, but trying to make it easier to get one. CBS 2's Jackie Kostek joins us live. Jackie, Omicron is adding a sense of urgency.
Jim, that sense of urgency was shared by many at a vaccination clinic in Riverside today, where people lined up outside of the clinic and even out to the street to get that booster.
We just retired from work and we want to live. So we wanted to be fully vaccinated.
To Jackie Pearson and many health experts, fully vaccinated increasingly means 2 shots and a booster. That as the new Omicron variant is not only spreading, but showing early signs of evading, at least in some way, 1- and 2-shot vaccinations. Pearson was among more than 1,000 Cook County residents who got vaccinated or boosted at the Cook County Health North Riverside location on Sunday. Last week, nearly 3,000 people got shots across 3 locations. The mass walk-in clinics part of the county and state's efforts to make it easier for people to get boosted.
I tried scheduling. I live right downtown. It took me, I took a day off and I walked all over town. I walked about 4 miles. I hit every single Walgreens and they would not take any walk-in.
Ing Tan drove a friend to the clinic Sunday after ultimately finding an open booster appointment himself a couple of weeks ago. Something he said he felt he needed to do watching the new variant take hold in other countries.
I got concerned because of the Omicron.
But the country's leading infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says the variant may already be leading to an overwhelmed healthcare system.
Our hospitals, if things look like they're looking now, in the next week or two, are going to be very stressed.
As the number of cases in Illinois climbs, Fauci and other health experts agree that vaccination is still key to warding off severe illness and death. New Chicago data shows unvaccinated people are 4 times more likely to end up hospitalized than those who are vaccinated. This week, President Joe Biden plans to speak about the state of the pandemic and efforts to send federal help to communities across the country. About 70% of the state's population currently has at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. And I spoke to that clinic representative who also told me that all of the Cook County health locations across the county do offer walk-in vaccinations Monday through Saturday as well. Jackie Kostek, CBS 2 News.
Jackie, thank you for information on vaccinations in your area. Scan this QR code with your phone. It will take you to the CBS 2 vaccine tracker. Among other things, you'll find data on vaccination rates near you.